This is the treasure of our company. Most people talk about the GPU. The GPU is important, but without a programming model that sits on top of it, and without dedication to that programming model, keeping it compatible over generations, we're now CUDA 13 coming up on CUDA 14. Hundreds of millions of GPUs running in every single computer, perfectly compatible. If we didn't do that, then developers wouldn't target this computing platform. If we didn't create these libraries, then developers wouldn't know how to use the algorithm and use the architecture to its fullest. One application after another. I mean, this is really the treasure of our company. CuLitho, computational lithography. It took us nearly 7 years to get here with CuLitho, and now TSMC uses it, Samsung uses it, ASML uses it. This is an incredible library for computational lithography, the first step of making a chip. Sparse solvers for CAE applications. cuOpt, a numerical optimization, has broken just about every single record. The traveling salesperson problem, how to connect millions of products with millions of customers in the supply chain. Warp, Python solver for CUDA, for simulation. cuDF, a data frame approach, basically accelerating SQL, data frame databases. This library is the one that started AI altogether, CUDNN. The library on top of it, called Megatron Core, made it possible for us to simulate and train extremely large language models. The list goes on. MONAI, really important. The #1 medical imaging AI framework in the world. By the way, we're not going to talk a lot about healthcare today, but be sure to see Kimberly's keynote. She's going to talk a lot about the work that we do in healthcare. And the list goes on. Genomics processing. Ariel, pay attention. We're going to do something really important here today. CuQuantum, quantum computing. This is just a representative of 350 different libraries in our company. And each one of these libraries redesigned the algorithm necessary for accelerated computing. Each one of these libraries made it possible for all of the ecosystem partners to take advantage of accelerated computing.